here at West Coast Iron in Vancouver. Today I'm actually prepping for a powerlifting meet. So I'm going to be squat, bench, and I'm going to do some walking lunges, and we're getting into some back accessories. So with powerlifting, it's a little bit different than bodybuilding because I want to reserve as much energy as possible for my working sets. So once I get to about 70%, I'll start taking 1.5 minutes to 2 minutes in between each set until I'm completely done. And then working sets typically around 3 minutes in between each set. This is by far my least favorite lift, but I think if anything, having that hip power actually really helps with this, because as long as you get that proper back compression and arch, you can drive your hips, and it helps you a lot on your way up. Hope you guys enjoyed this workout. Again, this is functional training with Charity Witt. I always do a pull movement with every push, so that's why you've got me doing lat pull downs accompanied with bench press, and I've got walking lunges for a dynamic duo with squats. Thank you again, Mutant Nation and West Coast Iron. Until next time.